Hi guys! Today, gagawa tayo ng beef gisado. So, ito na yung beef na i-brown ko guys, na I cut it into cubes. And this is my vegetables, the carrots and the potatoes. And this is my tomatoes. This is the red onions, the garlic and the hot chili. And this is the... So guys, I'm going to cook beef gisado tonight. So, I'm going to start, okay? Potatoes. Brown natin guys. Brown na potatoes. Yung beef natin guys. So ilagay na natin guys yung ating potatoes na na-brown ko guys. Okay. Tapos carrots. Ang ating apoy. So pakulan ko ng malakas. Tapos Ah, 10 minutes to go. Hi guys! This is our beef gisado. Tingnan nyo, ang sarap. Okay? So, mag-platings na ako guys. So guys, this is our finished product. This is beef gisado with vegetables. Okay? Tingnan nyo guys. This is our dinner for tonight. So this is yummy. Okay? Thank you for watching to my channel guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye!